Driftwood Beach on Georgia's beautiful Jekyll Island is laden with enormous fallen oak and pine trees, and all of a sudden you feel very small, like you were made miniature and dropped into an ancient world. The skeletons of these trees are a testament to their formidable and dauntless resilience. Even in their afterlife, they continue to staunchly hold their ground against the unrelenting waves, tides, and hurricanes. We visited Jekyll and the equally posh and splendid St. Simon's Island on our move to South Carolina this winter. I highly recommend anyone going north or south on I-95 through this area to make the slight deviation, and it really is worth a vacation weekend on its own.
Pretty beautiful.
Some shrimp, okra, flounder, and then a fried crab cake. There's a surprising pocket of wild land after Brunswick and all the way up to Savannah, and the fishing and seafood are top-notch. If you remember Gullah Gullah Island from Nickelodeon, these barrier islands are the traditional home of the Gullah Geechee people, where African heritage still echoes in language, food, and faith. The silence here isn't empty. It hums with nature's raw power, and human history is carved deep into the land.